Hi everyone, here is Lina. For this video, I will show you how to operate the sewing machine for the beginner. Here is the electric foot power. First, we want to plug all the plug. This plug is for the machine, and this one is for the foot power. Plug it on. But don't open this yet. We want to thread it first. And this for the foot power, we hook to the machine. And this one for the electricity, we plug to the outlet. Just plug this one on. Just put the foot power down under the table of your machine. Here is how we hook the thread on. Put the thread behind the machine. If you use the big thread like this, just put it behind the machine on the table and follow the direction. Go down here. Pull it back up. Here, right here. Show you again. Just like you see the arrow here, arrow to the right. Just pull it to the right. Here is the under thread. Put it in. The hook right here. Okay, to this side. Hook the under thread up, we just pull it up, pull it to the back. That's it. We can start to sew right now. After we hook on both threads, now we can operate your sewing machine. Here is slow and fast right here. I recommend to turn it to the slow one if you are the beginning user. And right here you can adjust the length of the stitch. Here, right here I just use number 5. Here's 3. And for the back up, we press right here. Here you adjust your stick right here by switching this thing back and forth. A is the normal stick. Now we can start our sewing machine. Put the foot down, press down. Here the hook to hook it down here. I will show you here. This one, hold up, press down, hold up, press down, press it down so it can hold on the fabric that we want to sew. And now we can switch it on. When you switch it on, the light is on too. Now we can start the stitch. Step on the foot. Be careful your hand. You want to hold the fabric, but don't put your hand too close. Hold it at the side or here or right here. Your foot, parallel the foot, and then the machine it automatically go. Just hold it straight. Use this one for back up. When we hold it down, parallel the electric foot. After you finish, you want to put it back up and pull it to the back. That is how you operate your sewing machine. I recommend you every time you done sewing, you want to close this and you turn it on again when you're ready to sew. What I like to do, after every time I sew, I put the needle down in like this for the safety. By switching this, when we switch this down, the needle is down for the safety. And that's it. That's how you operate your sewing machine. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.